Just a moment. Yesterday I have taken the snap of those questions. Yeah, it was 27 p to the power 3, and then 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p to the power 2 plus 1 by 4p. Ifra, please let me know. Please unmute yourself and let me know where exactly. This is how you have written the question in the chat box. But here there is something missing. Any sign or something. Can you let me know?
Ma'am, I haven't shared this question.
Who said this question? Reem? Reem, are you there? Okay, right now you sent 3 question. I'll be taking it. Okay. Who shared this question? Anyone? Whoever has written this question in the chat box, here something is missing. Here, are we having multiplication or addition or any other bracket or sign or something? Please let me know, otherwise I'll be taking another question. Okay, Ifra's next question, let me take. That was 5x to the power minus 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equals to 225. Then find the value of x.
Ma'am, it's 5 power x minus 3.
5 to the power. It's 5 to the power x, and x is again having power minus 3, or x minus 3 directly, just like the algebraic expression. Let me write it and let me know, is it
Yes, ma'am.
like
An
this?
expression. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay, let's do it. So whenever we are having such equation, no, what we have to do, we have to compare both side and we have to take out the value of the unknown. Here the unknown is x. Okay, so what we have to do, we will be doing 5x to the x minus 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 8. On the other side also we will be doing the same thing. We will try to factorize this number 200 of exponents. So let's do the factorization. 225, it will be 5 4 times 20, 5 5 times 25, 5 9 times 45, 3 3 times 9, 3 1. So you can see when we are factorizing this 225, we are getting 5 is square times 3 is square. Okay, now we can compare the exponent of both sides. We can say that exponent, whatever we are having over here, 5, the exponent of 5, that we can compare with the other side's exponent of 5. So we can say here, comparing both sides, we can say x minus 3 is equals to 2. So x will be 2 plus 3. That means x will be 5. Now, similarly, we can also compare the exponent of 3 over here will be equals to the exponent of 3 over there. So we can say 3 to the power 2x plus 8, this exponent of 3 will be equals to this exponent of 3. That means twice x minus 8 is equals to 2. That means twice x is equals to 2 plus 8. That means twice x is equals to 10. That means x is equals to 5. So we got, oh, from both the cases we got same x. So either you can do this way, either you can do the left the left hand side one, or you can do the right hand side one. Any one you are doing, you will get the value of the unknown. Here you can see, by doing it anyway, we are getting the same value for the, just a moment, we are getting the same value for the exponent. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the here you have sent one question, Ifra. Is it possible to send? It is not that clear over here. Okay, is it possible to send it to the management from where you get the notification about the classes and everything?
Okay, ma'am, I'll send now.
Yeah, please send it over there so that I can see the question properly. Then only I'll be able to take it. Yes, Arya, you have sent 3 questions. Let me take those questions. Okay, Arya, let me take your questions. So here I can see the side of triangle are 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Let me write the question. The sides of a triangle are 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. What is what is the length of its shortest altitude? Okay, options are also given over here. Option A, 3/2. Option B, 3 root 3 by 2. Option C, 12 root 3 over 7. And option D, 4 root 3. Okay, let me draw this triangle. One of the side is 3, another side is 7, 8. Now we will be able to find the area of this triangle by using the concept of Heron's formula, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please use that formula and find the area. Everyone, please do it. Take 5 minutes and find the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. First, find the area. I'll be showing you how we'll get the altitude. Are you done with finding the area by using Heron's formula? Have you done under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c quickly? What are you getting?
Ma'am, can you scroll up? Just a second.
Find the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. First find it and let me know what are you getting as a area. Everyone please write your answer in the chat box, or you can also unmute yourself and you can tell me your answer.
6 root 3.
6 root 3, 3 root 2. Everyone, which answer are you getting? Is it 6 root 3 or 3 root 2? I'm getting 3 root 6.
You multiplied at 1.
Is it 3 root 2?
3 root 2.
Yeah, what?
3 root 2.
You wrote 1.
Just a moment. Okay, 9 minus 7 is 2. Exactly. Sorry. So we will be having, this 9 will come out as a 3, and 6 in this will become 3, 3, 3 into 2, 6 into 2. So 6 root 3. Yeah. Yes, perfect. We are getting 6 root 3 only. Now, once we got this area of the triangle, we are having one more formula for finding the area. Okay, that will not work over here since we are having a skeleton triangle, and then only we are having this magical formula which will work everywhere when we know the sides. Okay, that formula we will be using, and we will be saying that 1 by 2 into base into height, that area formula, whatever area that will give, this formula will give the same area we are getting by using another formula. Since we are talking about same triangle, the area has to be same. Okay, be it a Heron's formula, be it this formula or any formula. If we are talking about same triangle, the area will be same. Okay, that's why we are saying the area which we have got, this area will be equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. Is it clear to everyone? So far, is it
Yes.
clear? Now, what we will do over here, we have to find, what we have to find? The altitude. Altitude means the height we have to find. Whenever we are dropping an altitude, that means we are dropping a 90-degree angle. A perpendicular we are dropping. That means height. Okay. So here we have to find the altitude. That means height. Now here one thing is there, that we are having a skeleton triangle. So which side we must take as a base? 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Three sides are there. Okay, one of the side is 3 centimeter, another side is 7 centimeter, another side is 8 centimeter. So which one to take as a base? Now let me tell you one thing, that this is also altitude, this is also altitude, this sky one is also altitude, and this one is also altitude. To the altitude base, we're dropping the perpendicular. So which base we will be taking? So whenever we have to find according to the question, just let's focus on the question. It says that what is the length of its shortest altitude. Whenever we have to find the shortest altitude, that means that time we will be dropping the perpendicular on the largest side. That will give the shortest altitude. Okay, so on the largest side, in between 3, 7 and 8, 8 is the larger number among these three numbers. So we will be dropping the perpendicular on the altitude. Are you getting me? On which base we will be dropping the perpendicular? So we will be dropping the perpendicular on the largest side. So this is the base, and this will become the shortest. Then only we will get the shortest altitude. Now the formula 1 by 2 times base times height. So 1 by 2 base is, now only I said that when we have to find the shortest altitude, that means the base are supposed to be the largest side. That is 8 into altitude. That's what we have to find, is equals to 6 root 3. 2 4 times cancel out. Altitude will become 6 root 3 over 4. So we are having 3 root 3 over 2. Let's see whether this option is there or not. 3 root 3 over 2 is there as a option number B. Let's summarize the whole thing, what we did here. The side of a triangle is given. What is the length of its shortest altitude? We know altitude means height. But here we are having, here we don't have right angle triangle, we don't have isosceles triangle, we don't have equilateral triangle, so that we can go ahead, we can drop the perpendicular and we can use the area formula, that is 1 by 2 into base into height. We can't do that because here we are having a skeleton triangle. For a skeleton triangle, we are having only one formula for this skeleton triangle only. We just got introduced to the formula of Heron's formula. So we will be using the Heron's formula. We will be finding the area. that area value we will be using by taking the older area formula, that is 1 by 2 into base into height. From there we will be getting the height, that means altitude. Here we have to find the shortest height, shortest altitude, that means when we will be dropping the perpendicular on the largest side, that will be the shortest altitude. Okay, so hence we are taking the base as a 8, and then we are finding the shortest altitude by using 1 by 2 into base into height formula and area. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, a few more questions are there. Let me take, then I'm taking your question, Ifra. The three sides of a triangle are the three sides of a triangle are P, P plus 1, 2P minus 1. Its area is under root 10P square unit. Options are there. Option number 1 is 5, 2 is 6, 3 is 7, and 4 is 8. Okay, rather 1, 2, 3, B, C, and D. Okay, so let's do it. The three sides of a triangle are given: P unit, P plus 1 unit, 2P minus 1 unit long. Its area is also given as a under root 10P square unit. Find the value of P. Let's do it by using Heron's formula only. Let's find the area. So under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, S is A plus B plus C by 2. We are having one of the side as a P, another side as a P plus 1, and the other side as a 2P minus 1. Let's simplify. So P plus P, 2P, 2P plus 2P, 4P, plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out each other. So 4P over 2, that means 2P we are getting as a S. Now what we do, so S is 2P, S minus A, that means 2P minus first side P, then S minus B means other side P plus 1, then S minus C, that means 2P minus the other side, that is 2P minus 1. Okay, this is what we will be getting when we are writing the expression for area. Let's simplify it. We will be able to simplify it if you will look at it carefully. So we are having 2P minus P, that means only P plus 1. Okay, only P plus 1. Then here we are having 2P minus 2P. That means this 2 will cancel out and plus 1 we will be having over here. Just that. Okay. What can be taken out from this root sign? The root. The way we solve with the numbers, same way we are solving with P. We just have to look at the pair. If we are having the pair, we can take it out from the radical. Okay, we can take it out from the square root sign. Now, this area is given in the question. If see the question, the three sides of a triangle are given. Okay, P, P plus 1, 2P minus 1. Its area is this. under root 10p. So let's take this value. Area according to us is this one, but according to question, p under root 2 p plus 1 is equals to root 10 p is the area which is given in the question. Okay, this p over here and that p over here, let's cancel them. This and this just got, these two are canceling each other. Okay, when we will shift it to other side, one will go to one, this p will shift to denominator, so hence it will cancel out. Now both side we are having a square root, so we can say squaring both side. Okay, so that we will just get rid of this square root sign. So squaring both sides, we will be having 2p plus 1 only on this side is equals to 10. That means p plus 1 means p value will be 4. Let's see the options. Okay, p is not 4. Are we missing anything? Let me check. P plus 1, 2p minus 1. P plus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 to b. S minus a, S minus b. Okay, here we are having, can you see this one? Can you? 2p minus p plus 1 is inside the bracket. If we will open the bracket, it will be minus p minus 1. Are you getting it? I'm talking about this part. If we will simplify it, it will be 2p minus p plus 1. It will be 2p minus p minus 1. Are you getting it? Which will eventually, it will
Yes,
be,
ma'am.
it will be p minus 1. This will be p minus 1. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Here
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will be having minus sign. Here we will be having minus sign. Everything will remain same. And once we will simplify it, our p value, since it is minus 1 on this side, and when we will shift it to other side, it will become p. This will become plus 1, and hence p value will be 6. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And hence option number B is the correct option. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next question, in the triangle given below, OC is the altitude. Let me draw the figure. OC is the altitude. As we can see, it's making 90 degree over here. To the side AB. AB is equals to 24 centimeter. AC is equals to 25 centimeter. And BC is equals to 9 centimeter. We have to find OC. AB is given, AC is given, and BC is given. Okay, we have to find OC. How? Again, by using the area concept. We will be finding the area of this scalene triangle. You can see AB is 24, AC is 25, BC is 9. Again, it's a scalene triangle. Area we can only find by using the concept of Heron's formula. Once we will use Heron's formula, we will be able to get the area, and then let's find the area quickly. So area will be having S minus A, S minus B, S minus C inside the square root. S is what? A plus B plus C by 2. So 25 plus 24 plus 9 over 2. Please do it and let me know what are you getting as a area. So are you getting 58 over 2? That is 29 as a S. 29 minus 24. 29 minus 25. 29 minus 9. Let's calculate the area as a area. Okay, here we'll be having 29. 29 minus 24 will be 5. Here we will be having 4. Here we will be having 20. We need to solve the square. 4 times 20. Here we are having 20. So 20 will come out. And 29 will be still there. Now this area which we have got from Heron's formula, we can say the older formula, that is 1 by 2 into base into height, that is equals to 20 root 29, right? And from here, what is the base? Base is 24. What we have to find? Altitude we have to find. Easily we will be able to calculate the height. Okay, I am keeping it this much. You will be able to do it from here. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? This one is just like the first question. In the first question, shortest altitude was mentioned, and here already the altitude is drawn in the figure and we have to find it. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now let me take Ifra's question. Yes, Arya, is it clear?
Yes, mom.
Okay. A butterfly type of structure is there, which Arya has sent to me. Okay. But that is not, we just have to focus on the angle. What is anything? Angle given over here is 4y. Angle given over here is 60 degree. Angle given over here is y. And an angle given over here is x. And the total angle over here is 3x. Okay, you have to focus on the angle, not on the butterfly. So at what angle does, let me, based on the above information, answer the following question. At what angle does Rashmi inclined the two sticks? And first, this is A, this is B, this is C, and here we are having D. Here, what angle does Rashmi incline the two stick AB and CD? That means the 60 plus y we have to find. Okay. This is a straight line. Okay. Even if it doesn't look like that in this figure, I have not drawn it properly. but this is a straight line. The sky one is a straight line, and this yellow one is also a straight line. If this is a straight line, can I say the vertically opposite angle will be equal? Can we? So 3x is equals to 60 plus y. This is one of the equation. And 4y is equals to x. This is another equation. Is it clear? Both vertically opposite angle over here will be same vertically opposite angle on the top, angle at the bottom will be same vertically opposite angle. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to simplify this two equation and we have to find the value of x and y. Now from equation 2, can I say x is equals to 5, which I am going to substitute in equation 1. So equation 1 is 3x is equals to 60 plus y, 60 plus y only, and equation 2, x is equals to 4y. So at the place of x I am going to write 4y. From where? From equation 2 I am taking the value and substituting it equation number 1, so that we will be having one equation which is having only y, only one variable, which will be easier to solve. So 12y is equals to 60 plus y, that means 60. Now y is equals to 60 by 11. Why we are getting such a like decimal number? Just a moment now. Just a second. Let me check now whether it is like a straight line or what in the figure. It looks like a line, however, nothing is said about this in the question. So, okay, if we will take, okay, instead of taking this vertically opposite angle, if I am taking AB as a straight line, can you see AB as a straight line? But if we will see AB, that's straight line, okay? If AB is a straight line, then can we say this is a linear pair? This 3x and this x will make a linear pair. Can we say?
Yes.
Yes or no? Can we say that this 3x and x will make a linear pair? And
Yes.
hence 3x plus x is equals to 180 degree, like this one. Like this one. Where we got the value of x as a 45. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, on the other side also of the skyline, I can say that 4y, 60y all together will make a linear pair. Okay, so 4y, 60y all together, that means 4y plus 60 plus y all together will make a linear pair. Okay, basically at first we want to take out the value of x, take out the value of y, and then we will answer each and every question. Okay, so from here we are getting 5y is equals to 180 minus 60, that means 120. That means y value will be 120 by 5, that means 5 2 times 10, 5 2 times 10, 5 4 times 20. So y value we are getting 24 degree and x value we are getting 45 degree. Now what the question says, the first part of the question, at what angle does Rasmi incline the two stick AB and CD? AB and CD, at what angles inclined? Just a moment. No? Uh, any like information is given at the beginning of the question?
No, ma'am.
This question, like a story is not given that Rashmi is doing this and that, and she is just taking two sticks trying to make something. This type of story used to be given, and then we just have the question, right? So here just the question is given and the figure is given.
Yes, ma'am. There is no any such.
Because since it is said at what angle does Rashmi incline the two sticks AB and CD. Next one says that if the two sticks of length 10 centimeter each are joined at midpoint, then find the value of OA. Where is OA? O is the midpoint. If these two sticks are joined at midpoint, this stick and this stick are joined at the midpoint. Both are 10 centimeter. This is also 10 centimeter, and both are joined at midpoint. Then OA will be 5, right? I believe something we are missing in this question, because this much is straightforward question. Both are joined at midpoint, then find OA. OA will straightly, it will be 5. Okay, Ifra, if you get any other information related to this question, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll check this question whether whatever information is given, accordingly we will be able to do it or not. Let me take another question, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You have only sent the next question, Ifra. Yes, one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Let me take
Yes.
this one, okay? This is 120 and this is x plus 10. Find the value of x. Yes, we will be able to find the value of x over here. Then we will take x plus 120 plus x plus 10 all together. It's just a one complete revolution. That means 360 degree. Will be able to take out the value of x. That means x plus x is 2x. 120 plus 10 is 130 is equals to 360. And from here we'll be taking 2x is equals to 360. That means 0, 3, 2, 230. 2x is equals to 230. X is equals to 230 by 2. That means 115 degree is the value of x. Is it clear, Ifra? Is it clear to everyone else?
Yes, mom.
That
Yes, ma'am.
option is there or not?
Yes.
115 degree is that option is there?
Yes, ma'am. It's there.
Okay. So I have taken everyone's question. Let me check the chat box. If anyone. If xy, okay, if xy represent a point and product of x and y is greater than 0, then the point may lie in quadrant. Let's take this question. If y represents a point, okay, in the on the coordinate axis, you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So xy is a point, a coordinate, okay, where the condition is given. Xy is a point and the product of x and y. Multiplication between x and y is greater than 0, is larger than 0. Then the point may lie in the quadrant. If x into y is greater than 0, then the possibilities both are positive. Then only it will be greater than 0, or either this is the possibility or the possibility is both negative. Then and only then we will be doing the multiplication and the result will be greater than 0. So either both will be positive or both will be negative. That means either it will lie in the first quadrant or it will lie in the third quadrant. Are you getting it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I will see this. I will take this question, Ifra. This butterfly one. I believe something information is missing, or are we missing something? Exercise 13.1 seventh question. 13.1. Let me take this question. Okay, surface area and volume. Seventeenth or 7?
7.
Is it 17th or 7, Reem?
It's 7, ma'am.
Okay. Santi Sweet stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes are required. The bigger dimension is two different size box are required. The bigger one is having this dimension and the smaller one is having 15 into 12 into 5 this dimension. For all the overlap, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. Okay, for all the overlap, 5% extra is required. Five percent of, okay, 5% of what? Total surface area. If the cost of the cardboard is given rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter, find the cost of cardboard required for some 250 boxes of each kind. Okay, it will take few minutes. Meanwhile, let me explain the concept. We will be doing the calculation, but let me explain the concept which is related to this one. Okay, together we will do the calculation also, but it will take few minutes, at least 10 minutes it will take to explain the whole thing, what exactly is happening. So suppose we are having a, let's say, a paper. Okay, and whenever you have to make a box with that paper, with a rectangular sheet of paper, if you have to make a box out of that, or um, have you seen whenever we are having a cake box or something, there is a like hidden, the overlap portion, the box which you can see, that is okay, but
Yes, ma'am.
there is a like a portion which is uh, just come in the overlap also, the cutting portion and everything.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's talking about that overlap only. Okay, that is the
Okay.
overlap. which we are having over here, and that is taking 5% of the total surface area. So whatever is the total surface area according to the given dimension, we will be able to take out the total surface area. From that total surface area, 5% is the overlap. Like if you have to make a box, or you have to make something like of a certain measurement, like only that much according to the measurement of the box, you will not buy the sheet, right? There must be extra sheet we will be buying, which will just cut out portion, which will go in the cutout portion, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose I want to stitch a cloth, a shirt. Okay, for stitching a shirt, maybe a few 80 centimeter, 100 centimeter, or a centimeter, a specific 100 centimeter is required. Okay, cloth. But I need to consider the cutout portion, no, which will go accordingly. I'll take the cloth, no, the piece of cloth. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Same for the box. If we have to make a box, we have to think about the cutout portion also. If we have to wrap a gift, so only exactly same measurement, if we will take a sheet, then we will not be able to wrap, right? We have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
think about the cutout portion and the overlap also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This question is talking about that overlap only, that 5% extra is going in the overlap, and accordingly we have to find the total price. Okay, so I'll be taking this question, Reem, in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And yes, Ifra, your that butterfly one. Let me know if any other information, other story is given along with that question, or that is the complete question. Meanwhile, I'll also see that question whether it is straightly talking about AB and CD are inclined,